Let's take a quick look at how to discharge a patient from the web. Previously, this option was only available through the iPad, but now we've made it an option on the web as well. Let's go into Fluffy's flow sheet. If you notice to the right of the flow sheet, there are a bunch of icons. Let's go ahead and discharge Fluffy. When I click on the button, it asks me to make sure the patient information is complete before discharging the patient. We'll go ahead and open the patient information, and I will make sure that everything is filled out. And then choose Done. Once I've entered the information for this patient, I will go ahead and choose Discharge Patient again.
And now it's going to tell me this operation will export billing, medical records, tech notes, as well as the flow sheet into 4 separate PDF files.
This action is also going to remove this patient from the whiteboard, which I would like to do.
All PDF files will then be automatically attached into your EMR.